Hi, this is the look that I'm going to be doing today in this video. Just wanted to show a little preview in the very beginning, so you know, if you like it, please keep watching. To prep my face, I'll be applying the Glam Glow Moisture Trip. I just got this. I kind of showed it a little bit in the live PR box opening that I did. For my eyeshadow base, I'm using the P. Louise base in Rumor 0.5. Putting that down on the lid. Today, I'll be trying the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette. Just got this. Have not tried it yet. Haven't swatched it, nothing. It is brand new and beautiful. So for under my brow, I'm using a small angled brush from Sonia Kashuk, surprise, and the shade Morning. For the inner corner, I'm putting a pop of Agate eyeshadow. It's very, very pretty, glowy, shimmering, like, I want to say like a peachy gold. And same brush, going in with the shade Citrine. Next, blending in the shade Carnelian. And continuing that blend with the color Jasper. So these are all mattes in the palette. I love, love, love matte eyeshadow, so of course I had to try something first. For the bottom, I really wanted to make it dark and smoked out with this super gorgeous red in the palette called Flock. For the lashes, I'm using one of my favorite styles from Black Moon Cosmetics. They're called Karina. For the lower lashes, I've been doing this almost every time, anytime I wear makeup. Little to a lot, like even if I'm just doing mascara. Always now I have to put the Milk Makeup Kush Primer, Lash Primer. Put that first because I don't have I mean, the few hairs that I do have, they have some length, like medium length, but they're not very full, like they're kind of sparse. But this makes it look like I have something going on down there. And then following that up with the Milk Kush Mascara, the regular one, not the waterproof. Although, only because I'm not, you know, I'm not going anywhere. But if I was out and about, I've been grabbing for the waterproof one. So here we have the completed eye using the Sunrise palette from Natasha Denona. Okay, for under my eye, a little bit of that Shape Tape. Gonna leave it at concealer. I will contour and add blush. This is my trusty old Tartiste Makeup Shayla contour palette. So no foundation, I'm just putting this directly over the moisturizer that I started with. To set, I've been also enjoying this lately, the Pixie Beauty Makeup Fixing Mist. It's the rose water and green tea. I usually spray this on my, right in my face, right right on my beauty blender. Well, it's still a little wet. I'm gonna take the Natasha Denona Super Glow in light medium. Actually, I might go in with the bronze instead because it's got this gold to it, and that goes with the yellow. So still Natasha, just a different color. This is Urban Decay's Liar 24/7 lip pencil. It's funny because it allows me to lie about my lip line. So this is shade Giselle. Okay, since this color is super matte, it's very matte, and it dries very quickly, so I had to like blend it in with the Q-tip like super fast. I do want to do something a little more, I do want to do something a little bit more glossy since it's summertime, and I don't know, I just feel like glossy lips are good for summer. This is a gloss I recently got in the last BoxyCharm box. I'm going to layer this over. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see another look using the Sunrise palette, and if you have any specific like color combo suggestions. Wow, I just dug my finger through it. Sorry. But any specific suggestions would be welcomed. And yeah. Hopefully this video is better this time around. I know the last one was super rough because I was trying to figure out how to do things again, but thank you for sticking with me. Okay, that's it. Hope this helped. Hope you like. Thank you for watching and subscribing if you have. Bye!